Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. It is Friday, as you can see, the 9th of May, and I'm kind of bullish on the US dollar Japanese. It's kind of because the triangle that I'm interested in, or the end of this double combination, is, let's say, the triangle is not completed. And when something is not completed and you're trying to anticipate something, basically you take a risk. Nevertheless, I like this scenario, as from my point of view we have a possible double combination with the triangle in the end being this one, from the lows here to here, this to be the A and C trend line. Let's make it a bit bigger. Let's make it like this, and then of course from here and to here, this would be my triangle. Now this is a triangle that should be labeled A, B, C, D, and the E wave to the downside here. Normally we should go and buy call options only by the time the B to D trend line is to be broken here. But this being Friday, I would like to be a bit more aggressive, so we'll to buy call options right here, right now, with end of day expiration date, trying to see if price actually, or the bounce from this area. Take a look, this area is quite an interesting area for quite some time now, trying to see if the bounce from this area is actually going to be valid or not. So from the highs here to the lows, I would say that, so from this moment of time, I would say that we have a classical A and a B and a C like this. So let's label this as A to the downside, then a B wave here, and the C wave to the downside, A, B, C. You might say, what kind of a C wave is this one? Well, this C wave to the downside is a classical impulsive move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the first wave being extended. Then the X wave. This X wave is only an intervening X wave, one that makes the connection between the previous correction and, or the first corrective wave, and then the second corrective wave. X wave is done either here or here, depends very much on the retracement. It doesn't matter, it doesn't change the structure or the strategy with anything. And then this would be wave A, this would be the B wave, this would be the C wave, the D wave here, A, B, C, D, and the E wave here. Well, you tell me what am I to do if a possible contracting triangle stays here. Again, normally to be disciplined we should wait for this one, but this is almost 100 pips higher, so I would take this chance today, and let's see if the market is in line with my prediction here or forecast. And I would say that we will see higher values until the end of the day. And whenever you trade binary options and you're looking for higher values, it means that you actually want to buy call options, as at the expiration date price should be bigger than the striking price. What is the striking price? Well, the striking price is, of course, the price that we are buying the option for. This is right here, 101.71. So let's write on the screen that I am buying call options with end of day expiration date for the euro, for the US dollar and the Japanese yen, with the presumption, or with the thinking that this triangle is the end of a double combination. Now this is being called from the beginning here, from the move to the upside here, to the downside here. This is being called a double combination. It means that you have a first corrective wave here, first correction, then a next wave, and another correction. And from this moment of time, price should bounce, not necessarily aggressively, because I would say that the move that follows to the upside would still be a corrective move, but I would say that price should bounce all the way to these highs here, 105, to be challenged again. Now I know that everybody now is short, as it's not easy to be long or to look for higher values when market is doing something like this, but we need to respect technical analysis. We need to consider fundamental analysis as well. But based on this one, it is still a bullish scenario. Hence, buying call options. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. All this analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lion Knife. Bye bye.